Hello, my name is Mark Zirka. I am the CEO of Strategy Up, a boutique consulting firm, and Strategy Up Academy, which is a unit under our company. So Strategy Up is an executive education and training unit. We provide courses and workshops that are non-degree professional training sessions. By attending a Strategy Up course, you will be benefiting from a variety of topics which are related to your personal career objectives. Our academy's aim is to solidify the link between the technology world and the day-to-day business areas. Once you finish a course with us, you will leave with an abundant knowledge in the technology environment, which could enhance your operational efficiency in the work environment as well. After successfully completing a course with Strategy Up Academy, you will be getting a certificate of attendance or a certificate of completion. We do not offer any degree-related diplomas. However, we are an academy which will help you boost your career when you couple it with some personal development activities. Thank you for watching this video and for taking the time to know more about Strategy Up Academy. We will be posting more videos on our website and on our YouTube channel. So please make sure that you follow us and you start getting more information about our topics, which are provided by Strategy Up Academy.